In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export ClickUp data. Managing your workspace effectively can sometimes mean needing to export your data, maybe for a backup or to analyze your productivity trends over time. Fortunately, ClickUp, the all-in-one app designed to simplify your work life, has made this process straightforward. So whether you're a project manager, a team member, or simply someone interested in data management, this guide is for you. Let's start from the very beginning. First, you'll need to navigate to the Clickup website. It's the central hub where all your work gets done, so you're likely familiar with it. Once there, the journey to exporting your data begins. The next step is to access your account, and for that you'll enter your email. This might seem basic, but remember, ensuring you're logging into the correct account is crucial, particularly in a workspace environment where you might have multiple accounts or manage several teams. Following your email entry, the next logical step is to input your password. It's a good practice to make sure your password is strong and secure, but also memorable. If you ever forget it, there are options to reset it, but let's save some time and get it right on the first attempt. After entering your password, you'll proceed to click on the Login button. This is your gateway to ClickUp's extensive features and tools designed to enhance your productivity. Once you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the home section of your specific NANS workspace. This is where all your projects live, and it's from here that you'll begin the export process. Your next action is to click on your profile. It might be a small action, but it's like turning the key to unlock a door, leading you closer to accessing your valuable data. Following that, you'll click on Settings. Think of this as the control room for your ClickUp account. It's where you can adjust everything to your liking and, most importantly, where you can manage your data export. Within the settings, you'll need to locate and click on Imports or Exports. This section is dedicated entirely to moving your data in and out of ClickUp, ensuring you have the flexibility and control over your information that modern work demands. Now, the moment we're aiming for arrives, you'll click on Start Export. This initiates the process to compile your data into a downloadable format. ClickUp does an excellent job of making this step as smooth as silk, preparing your data without you needing to worry about the complex details. Once the data is ready, which shouldn't take too long, you'll click again on Start Export. This might seem like a repetition, but it's an essential step in confirming your intent to export your data securely. Finally, you're at the last step to Download Export. This is where all your efforts culminate. With a simple click, your ClickUp data will begin downloading to your chosen storage, be it on your computer or an external drive. It's a satisfying conclusion to a straightforward process, offering you control and insight into your workspace's productivity and organization. Throughout this process, remember, patience is key. Depending on the amount of data you're exporting, it might take a bit of time. Also, ensure you're on a stable internet connection to avoid any hiccups during the download. Moreover, consider scheduling regular exports of your data. This proactive approach ensures you always have an up-to-date backup, providing peace of mind and securing your valuable work against unforeseen data loss. To sum up, exporting your ClickUp data is a crucial task that can be accomplished through a series of simple steps. From logging into your account and navigating to your workspace settings, to initiating the export and downloading your data, each step is designed to be user-friendly and straightforward. By following this guide, you'll ensure that you have access to your data whenever you need it, allowing you to manage your projects and team with ease and confidence. Thank you for watching, and stay productive.